I'm Susan Berkley for the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog. This week we're going to talk about warming up your voice, and it's something you have got to do for voiceovers. I mean, your voice is your instrument. So if you haven't been trained as an actor, if you're not used to this is something new for you. So let me take you through some exercises this week that are really going to help you. Now, why should you warm up your voice? Well, first off, it helps protect your vocal folds because some of the voiceovers we do these days are quite long, such as audiobooks and e-learning narrations, and that can put a real strain on your voice if you're not prepared. So it really is for the health of your voice. And the second reason to do it is you're going to sound so much better after a vocal warm-up. Your voice will sound richer and at its best and at its strongest. So when we warm up your voice, there's a few things you need to remember. You're trying to put your voice and keep your voice in the facial mask. Now, the mask is the area that stretches from your sinuses down to your larynx. It's kind of an inverted triangle, and your voice, when your voice is in the mask, like I'm speaking right now, it's forward. So the way you get your voice into the mask is to hum like this. One, two, three, and you want to really feel like your nose is vibrating and tickling when you do it. The best time to do this is in the morning when you're in the shower. That warm, moist air really will help with those vocal warm-ups. Another great thing to do when you're warming up your voice are these exercises that sound like this. So you're humming and you're going from your lowest to your highest point and then down again and keeping that one really soft. And then the third thing are lip flutters that sound like this. Now, if those are hard for you, just take your two fingers and go like this. So with those three warm-ups, and you do them every morning, you're in good shape to start your day as a voiceover artist. Back next week with more.